For homework, you have the passage from Big Cats. And you have a spelling test this week that includes these words with the AR, the ER, the OI sound, and the AW sound. So let's go over Big Cats. All right. Big Cats. That is not the sort of cat that you keep in your home and feed cat food. That is a bobcat. Bobcats are good hunters. They hunt rabbits, rats, and sometimes deer and sheep. That bobcat's name is Robert, or Bob for short. Get it? Your spelling words. Sharp. Sharp. The AR says R. Sharp. Fern. Fern. The ER says Start. Art. Start. The AR says R, like in sharp. Start. Oil. Spoil. The OI says oi. Spoil. Verb. The ER says in verb. Shark. The AR says R. Shark. Crawl. Crawl. The AW says aw. Crawl. And finally, our tricky word. This is the word because. Because. Good luck.